Today we have a lot of animals and some dinosaurs. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a Brachiosaurus. The next one is a T-Rex. This is Tyrannosaurus Rex. A bear. The next one is a lobster. This is a lobster.